We've learned how to make some delicious meals, and you've learned some awesome kitchen skills. Now, we're going to make a delicious, healthy snack, or breakfast. Avocado toast. As always, never do anything in the kitchen without permission from an adult. You will need help from an adult to make this meal. Let's talk about the ingredients and utensils we will need for this recipe. Remember, a recipe is the set of written steps that guide us through making a meal. The ingredients are the food items we need to make a meal. Here are some examples of ingredients. Utensils are the tools or dishes we need. Here are some examples of utensils. So, let's see what Jesse needs today for his avocado toast. His ingredients are bread, any kind can work, avocado, and any other toppings he might like, such as salt and pepper, or egg, or, in his case, sliced tomato. Let's get started. It's time to make avocado toast. First, ask an adult to help you cut an avocado in half. Cutting an avocado can be tricky, and a sharp knife might be needed. That's why an adult is needed for this step. There we go. Cutting something in half will give us 2 equal pieces. Next, use a fork to mash the avocado in a small mixing bowl. A fork will do a great job mixing and mashing everything up. Then, toast your bread. You may also need help from an adult for this. The bread gets popped into the toaster, and it should pop up when it's browned. Finally, spread avocado on the toast. A butter knife or a spoon would work well for spreading. This is also when we can add other toppings. Jesse wanted to add some sliced tomato. Nice! Enjoy your toast and don't forget to clean up. Okay, let's review the steps. First, ask an adult to help you cut an avocado in half. Next, use a fork to mash the avocado in a small mixing bowl. Then, toast your bread. Finally, spread avocado on the toast. All right, Jesse is quite the chef. He earned his Avocado Toast Maker badge. You can earn your badge and make some avocado toast too. See you next time. Hey, hey.